in the beginning, they missed the hole. At the factory in Mexico, they didn't plug that tube into the firewall. So then came the flood, the water, the mold, and the rust. So I'm going to read my favorite comment I've gotten so far on my channel on my problem. I'm hoping some of you will comment that know what's going on. You tell me if they treated me right at the dealer. You tell me if that looks right. You can see that carpet soaking wet. Now here, the Chevrolet dealer in Redding, put brand new carpet over top of that wet padding. So you can just pause this and read it if you want, but I'm going to read it to you. Those 3 wires are ground wires. No worries. So the issue is the HVAC drain was never properly connected. Poor assembly and quality control. However, that is a simple fix. The problem is they did not replace the blue jute along with the carpet. It can't dry underneath the carpet. It will mold and create issues. The floor plan construction looks okay. It's not designed to drain. No passenger car is except for maybe a Jeep Wrangler. The overlapping layers are not good or bad. I can see they have robotically spot welded plenty, but yes, you need to have all that completely dry before installing carpet, so it doesn't create potential rust or mildew. The black box looks like a condenser or fan box, or it could be electronics. Hard to tell. Frustrating for sure. BTF, HVAC issues like this do happen across many makes. It's not right by any means, but it does happen. Big issue is service in fixing the problem. Dealerships screw service department mechanics. Many of the good ones left. Good work procedures are not profitable, and dealers ride the service department unrealistically. You get a lot of young, poorly trained, or timed crunch wrenches in the dealerships. So, thanks for that comment. And thanks for watching my videos. Like I say, please comment below. And if you know what this big black box is, please put a comment down below. Thanks for listening.